Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell about string in Python programming. Strings are surrounded by either a single quotation marks or a double quotation marks. Example, first we print hello world string in double quotation and another string in single quotation. The output is same, hello world is the same. And another thing, assign string to a variable. Assigning a string to a variable is done with the variable name followed by an equal sign, and the string is a equal to hello, and we need to print single variable name a. The output is hello. And we move to the indexing. How to index a variable with the string. We take a same string a is equal to hello and we need to print a indexing 1. Actually string start with 0. First letter should be 0 and another nearest to that is 1, 2, 3. That will be followed throughout the Python programming. A of 1, what will be the output? E will be printed. And next, slicing. You can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. Specify the start index and the indexes separated by a colon to return a part of your string. We need to print 2 start from 2 and end with 5. It is a positive slicing. 2 and 5 are positive numbers. In this string, H is considered as 0 and E is considered as 1. So the output will be the LLO. And negative string, we declare the negative string slicing with negative numbers -5 to -2. It should be come from the end to start, that is 0 will be -1 and should be printed as HEL. And next we see is most used syntax in Python program, that is length of a string. How to know the length of a string? But it is a very simple string, so we need to print len of a. Len is one kind of function to know the length of a string. Let's move to the string methods. Python has a set of inbuilt methods that you can use on strings. Let me see some examples. First we have a strip function, removes any white spaces from the beginning or the end. In the string, actually hello world does not have any white spaces from beginning and end. So output will be no change. And another function lower returns a string in lowercase. If any capital letter will be there, it changes into small letter. And upper function, upper method returns the string in uppercase. If any low letter in a string, it converted into all the letters as caps. And next function is replace method a string. Actually replace method replace a string with another string. A is equal to hello world. We need to replace a single letter H. H can be replaced by J. The output will be JELLO world. And another function, it's the most important function in Python. A is equal to hello world is the common string for all methods. And split, we need to split the words. Hello world is a two word, we need to separate the two words. Another thing, let's we go to the check string if true or false. Actually, we need to check some word in the string is true or not in string it is false. Okay, let we create a new string. A is equal to I am technology leader. X is equal to LOGY. The word is A. Actually, A contains LOGY, the word. So we need to print X. It returns true because A, the string contains LOGY word. If it not contains, it returns false. Okay, let me change some not in A. It returns only false because LOGY the letters contains A. Okay, let's we move to the string format. It's the most important and tricky content in a string. Actually, as we learned in the Python variables chapter, we cannot combine string and numbers like this. A is equal to 36, B is equal to my age is, plus A. Actually, if we print B, what will be the output? My age is 36? No, because it's a type error. We can't add a string plus integer. So we need to use some format that is known as string format. Actually, format method takes the passed argument and place them in the string where the placeholders are. Actually, I remove the plus symbol. Instead of that, I put that symbol placeholder. Actually, I need to hold the integer in that place. That's why I put the placeholders after is word. I need to change a print statement. B dot format. Format is one of the function of A because B contains only the whole sentence. My age is 36. The output will become, of course, output printed. But this program is only for the single integers. For multiple integers, let me see. Actually, I prefer for one of the supermarket. Quantity is equal to 3. Item is equal to 567. Price is equal to 49.95. This is my bill or order. My order equal to I want Actually, inside the placeholder, I put 2 because it's an index value. That is, I declared 2 as my price. 0 is quantity and 1 is item. 2 is my price. Actually, I need to print. I want to pay 49.05 rupees for 3 pieces of 567 of item 567. Let me see what will be the output. Actually, print statement my order dot format quantity item price. Actually, we declared variables as per order because we indicated index values in placeholders. Okay, the output will be error because syntax error. Oh, oops, sorry, I can't it make it as a string. Oh my age. Okay, it's a little mistake. I named a variable called items in first, but in print statement I only put item. That's my mistake. Okay, I got my output. I want to pay 49 rupees for 3 pieces of item 565. Okay, thank you friends.